Hi friends, ever needed to group age into categories for your data analysis? Whether you are working on health records, surveys, or business reports, today I'll show you a super easy and lightning fast way to do it in Excel. Here's what your dataset should look like. Column A is for examination date, column B is for birth date, column C is for age, and column D is for age categories. And we'll create this for column age category. Now let's categorize the age into three groups. First category is for 60 years old and two code is for 40 between 40 and 59 years old, and code 3 is for 20 to 39 years old. Now enter this formula in cell D2. Equal if open parenthesis and open parenthesis cell age higher equal than 40 semicolon cell age less than equal 59 close parenthesis semicolon double quote two double quote semicolon function n open parenthesis cell age higher equal than 20 semicolon cell age less than equal 39 close parenthesis semicolon double quote 3 double quote semicolon open parenthesis cell age higher than equal 60 close parenthesis semicolon double quotes 1 double quotes close parenthesis, and then we hit the enter and drag it down. And boom, your data is instantly categorized. No need for manual counting, pivot tables do the work for you in seconds. Here's how to quickly see how many people fall into each race category. First, you should select your data in column D. How the way? We should click the insert and then click the pivot table and choose from table or range. And fill the blank with the G column, and we choose existing worksheet to place the pivot table. We click this area and then click OK. And then after that, we drag down the age category into rows, and we drag down again in age categories into the value. Now we see the result for category 2. The count of a category is 34 people, and then the three code categories the count is 26 people. We can see the same result from pivot table and for countif formula. So that's it. Instantly, you have a well-organized table showing the distribution of S categories, quick, simple, and super efficient. Thanks for watching. You can like, subscribe, and use the notification for the next video. Stay smart, stay productive. Thank you.
Subscribe now. Subscribe now.